All right, look, something has changed. Something has changed with crypto and Bitcoin. I want you to pay attention to this video because things may not be the same. And look, this video in itself is going to be a bit different because I want to invite you to a thought process with me because I'm actually thinking about this. I'm actually analyzing this as we speak. I just wanted to get the video out for you so we can think together, so to speak. See, the fundamentals when it comes to crypto, when it comes to Bitcoin, the fundamentals themselves may be different and may have changed or are changing as we speak. See, so far we've been going over the 4-year cycle. That was our basis. That was our base of what we used to look at. And then what I tried to do is find what was different in each bull market. What do I mean by that? Well, it's very simple. History does not repeat itself, it rhymes. And what I was trying to do is find what was different on each cycle so I can have the advantage while everybody else was pretty much doing the same. That's how we predicted the 15.6K bottom before it even happened. That's how we predicted the double top before it even happened. That's how we predicted AI in the last bull market that will come in this bull market, and it happened. The shift between gaming and AI and so on. Even the dump around the NVIDIA event and the Bitcoin halving, even Bitcoin reaching all-time highs before the halving, we predicted all of that. But I know one thing that's 100% certain, one thing that's 100% going to happen. And that is, I'm going to be wrong eventually. See, even though our success rate has been huge on this channel, most calls, we have a very, very high success rate when it comes to our calls on this channel. As cocky as I may seem sometime, as confident as I am sometime, I know for a fact that I'm going to be wrong. I mean, it's just statistics. So if I take my principle of rhyming and trying to see what's going to be different about my call? What mistake am I making? And this is what I do every time as well. I also check myself. So when I called Bitcoin to reach its all-time highs earlier, thus giving the possibility for a shorter bull market with the top of Bitcoin coming in end of 2024, beginning 2025. Of course, altcoins would run more, which will take us to mid-2025. That was one of the reasons. But then when we had that long consolidation, when we had that long pullback, that kind of like saved things and may have trailed that a little bit, with the top of Bitcoin maybe coming in mid-2025, end of 2025, opposed to 2024, if that makes sense. And another thing that has changed is that Trump won the elections, is going to take office. And if you remember, I was saying if Trump takes office, things may change. Things may change drastically. And this is the narrative shift that we're seeing right now. We're seeing Trump taking office. Everyone's bullish on crypto. The administration is bullish on crypto. You're seeing clarity, no taxes for American-made crypto, and so on. That's changing. It's changing fundamentally. He wants to put Bitcoin on the National Reserve. He wants to do this. He wants to do that. That's changing. We have not seen this before. So the narrative, the fundamentals are actually changing. Then you're seeing Putin on the other side of the globe saying that Bitcoin is unstoppable. It can't be stopped. Who can stop Bitcoin? So you're seeing a change in fundamentals worldwide right now because other countries are going to be influenced by this. And this may, and bear with me a second because I want to explain this after I say this because a lot of people might go crazy right now. This might actually change the 4-year cycle. It might change the 4-year cycle and give us an extended bull market. Now pay attention because people still need to get wrecked. People are still going to get wrecked. So we're still going to have massive drops because you have to flush people out. It's 95% of people in crypto are not going to be zillionaires or millionaires. It's just not going to happen. It doesn't happen in any markets. So now we have to see what will happen, what will change in order to get most people wrecked, but also the possibility of a longer cycle, if that makes sense. So if you watched my last video, and I'm going to link it right here just in case you didn't see it, I'll also leave it at the end of this video. I'm talking about a dump that's incoming before Trump takes office and what will happen if that dump doesn't happen. And I urge you to watch that video because I'm not changing what I said in that video, and that video will help you understand this video and this thesis I'm giving you right now. But let's say that happens, okay? Let's say Trump comes in, everyone's bullish, prices are going up, but we have an extended bull market, or at the very least, we don't have a bear market like we are used to. That is very possible. It's very possible that it can happen. Now, does that mean I stop taking profits? No, that doesn't mean that at all. And I still need to find the sweet spot that everybody gets wrecked. So maybe we have that massive drop that looks like a bear market that I keep on talking about, that predicted in the past as well, and it happened. It looks like a bear market, but it's not just yet. And it flushes everyone out because they also believe in the 4-year cycle. That's a possibility. And then we just keep on going, and then people make money, but not as much as they used to. I don't know. I don't know at this point. What I do know is this, though. People will still get wrecked. We will still have dumps. There are always black swan events, meaning what if something's wrong with the economy and Trump can't save that, or at least can't save it in time, and we do have a massive dump and we do have a bear market, and then you don't know who comes out after. So things could still go to shit. Don't get me wrong, and that would probably signify the bear market as we know it. And it's kind of funny and ironic, but it will fall in the 4-year cycle. So that's actually quite interesting. And yes, I know I'm talking. I'm just thinking and talking to you right now because I need your help here. I need your help, and I want your comments in the description down below because this is something I'm analyzing, and I need your help to do it. And if we all help each other here, maybe we can at least have it in our mind so we know how to strategize around this. But if you're looking for an answer, if you're looking to see what I'm going to do specifically, me personally, I'm going to treat this cycle like any other cycle, like the 4-year cycle. I will be taking profits like I usually do. Mind you, I may not take profits as aggressively when it comes to mid-2025 and 2025, depending on the charts, or I will buy back sooner. I will buy back once we make a drop. I will buy back faster than I usually do, if that makes sense. So let's say I sell, I take profits, we dump. Let's say we're in a bear market. Usually I wait to see how things play out and I buy things while we're coming out of a bear market. Well, I will aggressively buy Bitcoin once we are in the bear market and look at some key positions. That's what I'm thinking so far, but I need time. I need time to analyze this. This is just in my head right now. I didn't plan on making this video here, if that makes sense. I just want to share my thoughts with you. But that said, I also believe that Bitcoin can reach $1 million. And I know that's crazy to think, but this actually may pave the way for $1 million Bitcoin, if that makes sense. Now, I don't even know if I'm going to release this video because my thoughts are all over the place. Maybe I want to do another video, or maybe I should just release it so you can see how I think. I'm going to release this video for you, and then I'll release another one where I have my thoughts together and everything. I literally woke up thinking about this, and I've been thinking about it for days, but I didn't know, I didn't articulate, I still haven't articulated it in my thought process, or how I'm gonna, anyway, you get the point. You get the point. Hope you like this video. It's a bit different, but yeah, those are my thoughts. Maybe we have a series where I say Paul's thoughts or something. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, take care. Watch this video right here again. Make sure you watch this video. This video is about the pullback that's coming. You don't want to miss this video regardless of what's going to happen with an extended cycle or not. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.